Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the multi-day diary. The multi-day view will allow the user to view bookings over several days. The user will also be able to use all the functions as with the regular diary view. On the diary screen, click on the diary types drop-down menu. Select the multi-day view option. The multi-day view will display on the screen. The diary will display 7 days by default, which can be adjusted accordingly in the settings under Entity Settings by adjusting the maximum number of days to display on Multi-Day View field. Please note that the current timeline will display across all diaries. Click on the number of days selected to adjust the days the user wishes to view. Click on the Entity drop-down menu to select the desired practitioner whose diary the user wishes to view on the multi-day view. Click on the Display Options drop-down menu to adjust and select the preferred options in regards with viewing and displaying the current multi-day view diary. The user may adjust the viewing booking date by clicking on the left or right arrow button next to the date displayed on the top center of the multi-day screen. Click on the refresh button to refresh the multi-day screen to display the latest bookings that have been made.